My name is Syed Shiraz, and as you can see, I have got the acceleration video of the Range Rover Autobiography, and I'll just make one run, okay? And see, I have put it in dynamic mode, all right? There is no point in doing it in every mode, okay? And yeah, that's the long and short of it. And I have chosen this display as well, okay? So this is actually handy, or you can say it looks good while off-roading. However, this will give you an idea, not an idea, it will tell you exactly when the center diff is locked. So when I'll start, you'll see that, you know, the power will go to all four wheels, okay, for quite a long time. And so what happens generally, okay, if you when you start and the vehicle senses that there is less traction, to ensure that, you know, all four wheels have traction, it sends power to all four wheels. And the moment it feels that all right now, you know, everything is cool and there is enough traction, the vehicle is tracking straight, then it becomes a rear wheel drive, okay? And in this acceleration run, you will see for how long the center diff is locked, okay? GoPro is working. Yes, it is working. I will put this here. So the Range Rover Sport had achieved 180 kilometers per hour at the end of the strip. Let's see what the elder sibling does. All right, 3, 2, diff locked, 1. See, I told you. I think it would remain till the time, it will remain locked till the time I have, you know, it's pedaled to the floor. And it did not disappoint. It's still locked. Lovely, lovely. And let me show you when it would get unlocked. Now. Oh, it hurt me. You know what? I'll do one more. All right, phone here. And let me double check its dynamic mode. Yes, sir. Three, 2, 1. It goes. See, pedal to the floor and the center diff would remain locked. Bam! So that is why you should always keep the ESC, electronic stability control, on, okay? Because see, I tried to simulate an emergency situation, okay, wherein you have to brake and you have to steer away from that obstacle, that, you know, cow, motorcycle, you know, car, truck, whatever, okay? And you have to steer, you know, in the direction of safety, and ESC allows you to do that. Good job, Land Rover, good job. 11 on 10. So guys, I hope you like the video, and Do hit that like button, do subscribe, and do leave a comment. And I shall see you soon in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. 3, 1.